Does it take you a long time to get clean? Most people think it's a surface area issue, but if that were the case, how do those fluffy dogs get clean so quickly and easily? Today we're talking about the less well-known symptom of excessive wiping or difficulty getting clean when going to the bathroom. Interestingly, it's not primarily caused by the surface area of the backside. Here's what's causing the problem. My hand here represents the backside. Now if this grosses you out, please don't flag this video. This is still just my hand, okay? Now, when we go to the bathroom, there's an internal structure in all of our bodies called the internal hemorrhoids, and it's vessels that are filled up with blood, and when you put pressure on them from going to the bathroom, they fill up the space like this and essentially prop open the butthole. Now, when a dog goes to the bathroom, this thing resolves quickly, closes off, and there's no need to wipe. This is perfectly clean. But in our case, based on a lot of factors, our hemorrhoids get engorged a little bit larger than normal, and it keeps us propped open for a longer period of time. The problem is we start to wipe, and we're wiping that, and that is the reason we're having 1,000 wipes. We're wiping an open hole. That is the problem. This is the issue, and when these come all the way back, and this comes all the way tight really close, there's barely a need to wipe, and that is a beautiful thing. It's strange, right? But that's the real reason when you go to the bathroom, you're having 1,000 wipes. In the link below, I'll put treatment ideas for all ailments of the backside, and in future videos, we're going to be doing all ailments of the full body, and I'll try to help you get from point A to point B. I hope you have a great day. Take care.